In this movie, we will speak about how to create floor in Revit. Just you go to Architecture. After this, from Build tab, you click on Floor. Take care, just you click on Floor, you will create the floor architecture because it's default. Say this is the same shape for this, and there is other here. First, we will speak about floor architecture. I just click on it. Take care. Now we understand what happened. There is modify tab appear here, and here properties is a change, and here is properties bar, option bar. I'm sorry, there is option bar. First thing, we will create the floor. So you can enter for anyone from this and make edit and make duplicate and write floor. For me, I will make ground floor. I will click OK. Just he told me the default thickness is 300 millimeter. I don't need this. I make it only 20. And from here we will speak about material about this, but by category you can enter here and put material like tile or any shape. I will put this shape, this material. Okay. After this, I create this. I will start here is boundary line. Boundary line, it is appear from its name, is the boundary line for the slab unit. You can use anything from this, and we speak about this in most tools like wool. Now there is another thing here is big wool. By default, he make it big wool. Just you click on it. Take care what's happened. I will click here. I will make a change. I'm sorry. Here first. I will click here. Take care what's happened. When I click, he put a line in the side of the wall or the core. Why? Because here is extend into wall. If I core wall, okay. If I make Control Z and I make uncheck here and click here, take care what's happened. He makes this one in the outer line, and from this you can make flip for it. I make Control Z. You can also make by offset. Okay, for me, I will make Control Z, and if I need to cancel or I need to not make any change or I not make to floor, I can from here make cancel edit. Now I will make Control Z, and for me I prefer another option to use. Okay, this one can delete. I will use this one. This is back. Okay, after this I can make back the boundary wall I need. From here, here. Okay, just I select, it must be closed. If I make okay, now it told me there is a problem because it must be intersect. If I make continue, I will click here and write this one. Again, I will make right. He told me still it's not intersected, not loop, and he highlight here for you by orange color. There is problem here. If I make continue and go here, take care. Yeah, this is intersected. He can make this. It must be loop. I will make this like this, and for me this is okay. I will make now click. Take care what's happened. I will go to view, and from here I will make view title, and we speak about how to make zoom all to fit like this and make zoom here. Take care. This what I draw. If you need to make edit for it, you can select from here, or if you not have open area from here, you can just click tab, come here and click tab until he highlight what you need. After this you can make edit boundary. If you open boundary, he will return you for the first one and to make a change as you need. For example, if I need cancel all of this, delete this. Also I can delete this, because if I make flip from here up to here, take care, this will be duplicate. He overlap, he not accept overlap, so you must make delete for one and make accept for this. Okay, I will make from here and make this also. Okay, I will select this, make but this side is a boundary I can draw from here up to here and make here flip, as you say. Make okay. Take care. What now? He make this one inside and here he not make. If I need to make this by other level, I can make. Take care, just I select this one. Here what he told me, there is a 3D view. Now I not select it, I'm sorry. I will come here and make by tab. This one. He bought here what level 1, and he make offset. You can make offset from level 1. If I make 1000, this 1 meter, it will be up. Take care what's happened. Say this what happened. Okay, I'm a Control Z, and now I will go to architecture from here, and I need to make what? I make to make this, but in another level. I make this another level minus 300 millimeter and make big from here. Okay, I make this part. I must make it close loop by the magenta color. After this, I can make this by this and make. Okay, take care what's happened. He make this in another level. After this, I can make modify for the wall. The other thing we need to speak about it now. If you go to level 2, okay, and you need to draw, I can make something. I can select this and from filter check floor. This is the easy way you can select floor, and you can take from here in the modify, you can take copy, and from this go to align to select level. I need this in the level 2. Take care, it's be in the level 2, and in the level 2 direct you can go here in the level 2. I'm sorry, level 2, this is level 2, and make edit here for this part. You can change this part here. Okay, there is overlap. Make delete, and from pick or from draw as you prefer. For me, I prefer this one. And we must make no lap and no intersection like this. I can select from here. Now is close one, and this is delete. If I click OK, it will make. But sometimes I need to make open in this floor, so I can make any loop from here. If I make this, what he will understand now. Now he will make this the slab, and the inside one is the open. Not like this only, but you can make like this, but it must be closed. It must be closed path. Okay, I make this and make this. No intersection. If I delete, say he will make this as open. Take care. But he asked me something here. Would you like walls that go up to this floor level to attach as to its bottom? I will speak about this, but not now. No, I will make this. Take care what's happened. I will go with 3D. Take care. He make this one and make this one, and this is it. Okay, as you see. Now I will go here to understand something. speak about this message, it's appear for me. If I go to view, from view I can make elevation from here. I will make elevation from here as example. Here, what will highlight, it will appear, okay, in this dash line, what you will highlight with will appear. For me, I will select this one and double click here, it will go to it. We will make shaded as example, okay, and here is middle, and from here I can make stretch for the view. I make Control Z and I need to understand something. Take care. When I click here, now I click the wall. Take care, this will start from what up to what? It will start from level 1 up to level 2. Okay, but if you here modify, he will open for you attached, top, base, and de-attached. If I click here attached and select this one, now I select attach wall. What you will speak about, base or top? Will speak about top. What you need, now he told you select the roof you need to make attach for it. Just I click here, take care what will make here. Automatic, he will make this down. This is very important, and this coming by attach, and he give you this message when you draw, you need to attach or no. If you click OK, he will make like this. Now if I make any change from level 2, as example, make care what's happened, he will make this up and this also. Okay, if I select this and told him de-attached, select, he will make this de-attached. The same thing you can make here if you need. If you select this one also, you need to make attached, you will select here and attached, it will come down and so on. Okay, if you select this one again, and from here there is a join and non-joined. If you make join, now I select this one and told him I need join with this one. Take care, he makes this clear like this. I need this one. If I make multiple and select the join with join, okay, it's appear like this. If I click here and make unjoin as example and select this, sorry, I will make this, I will select here to appear, I make join, it will be appear like this. If I need to unjoin, I can click here and make this unjoin and select this one, it will appear as this. This what's meaning about join and attached. Okay, create floor, finish, and let us speak about another thing in another video. Thank you.